This is what a collapsed trachea sounds like. If your dog is coughing, that's what a collapsed trachea sounds like. Is that what your dog sounds like? Because it cost me about $1,500 to find out that's all that was wrong. They said it was a teeth, and we spent $1,500 and had all of her teeth pulled. That's not what it was. It was a collapsed trachea. And that's what it sounds like, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Try the peppermint spirits. Put it under their nose. Throat gold helps. I use that in combination. Alright, thanks.